Yo, it's Lux and welcome to this important video. As you can see from the title, Server.pro is happy to announce that it has open vacancies for a customer support role. This is a part-time opportunity and is for candidates ages 18 and above. As a customer support member, you'll be answering customer questions and helping them with any problem they might have. This includes, but isn't limited to, technical questions, pre-sale questions, as well as giving general advice. This role is for candidates who have previous experience with setting up game servers, configuring them, installing plugins and mods, and troubleshooting. Importantly, you need to have excellent communication skills, being able to articulate yourself well in a written form, as well as having a positive attitude. On top of that, you must be time flexible and willing to learn new things as well as improve your current skills. The games you must have excellent knowledge in are Minecraft Java, Minecraft Bedrock, and Terraria. The support role is a backbone of the company and you must be willing to do your very best to uphold their reputation. More information can be found in the description of this video. Please read it as it has crucial information for applying. If you're interested, then please send a cover letter and CV to the email shown on screen now and in the description. Thank you very much for watching and good luck